in the middle of March, we saw a drop off in global sports events of approximately 80 to 85% within a 2-week period. So it has been an unprecedented impact, and I think that impact will be felt across the year with an estimated downturn of probably between 50 and 60% on the global sports economy. That's a hit of probably $60 billion globally.
Talk to us about the impact on your business, Sportradar. What do you guys specifically do, and what has been the financial impact on your operations?
So we're a specialist in sports data and content, so data and video content, and we're a technology company. We supply, many of your viewers may not have heard of us, but we supply sports data and video content to lots of the organizations, media organizations and global betting institutions that they will use as fans on a daily and weekly basis. So of course it's had an impact on us, but actually it's been an opportunity for us to pivot our business, to use the technology that is at our disposal to create new opportunities, to create new content, virtual content, simulated reality content. And of course, now I'm happy to say, we're seeing, as you reported just a moment ago, with the Bundesliga, who's an official partner of ours, and with the K-League in Korea, more specific to your region, we're seeing this gradual return of live sports, which is great news for everyone.
What is the impact, though, of these matches being played without any viewers in the stands, any spectators in the stands? Does it diminish then the fact that people are wanting to go online or go to traditional media to consume sport if these matches are being played without, of course, the atmosphere of people being in the grandstands?
Yeah, I think it's going to be an interesting one to predict. I mean, I think there's a huge pent-up desire to see live sports. There's the pent-up demand from the last 2 months of just the lack of action. So I think initially, actually, we'll see some incredible viewing figures, and in fact, that's something that we've seen with the K-League. As I said, we partner with the K-League and have distributed our mission. We've got a 5-year deal with the K-League, and our mission is to take the K-League around the world, and we've already distributed that across 37 different countries around the world, which is again a kind of unprecedented for that league. And we've seen extraordinary demand for that across Europe, across China, Australasia, sending live K-League pictures to the BBC here in the UK. So I think initially there will be a really significant demand. I think it's going to be interesting to see what happens when, most likely in Q3 and Q4 this year, we'll actually have a kind of an oversupply of live content, because all of the sports hopefully will be coming back, subject to any second waves or third waves of the coronavirus. But there'll be a huge supply of live sport compressed into that second half of the year, and I think that is going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see how all of those sporting events compete with one another at that point.